Is your Instacart app crashing, stuck on loading, or not opening at all? Don't worry, I will show you how to fix it and just a few easy steps. Step 1. Long press on Instacart app on your phone and tap on app info option here. Now scroll down and tap on storage and cache. Here tap on clear cache first, then tap on clear storage or clear data, and now OK. This won't delete your account, just resets the app. Now close this app, open Google Play Store or App Store, search for Instacart. Now OK. Here you can see update button. So here simply tap on update button to update this app to the latest version because an outdated version can often cause issues. Once updated, restart your phone. This helps clear background glitches and reloads the app properly. If the app still doesn't work, check your internet connection, turn off VPN if it's on, or uninstall and reinstall the app. I hope this fixed your Instacart app. If it did, give this video a like and subscribe for more app fix videos every week.